Today, we dive into a data-driven study that debunks many myths. Geotab's latest research, an update to its 2023 report, analyzes the battery health of more than 20,000 electric vehicles across 21 different models over several years. This is one of the most comprehensive real-world studies ever conducted. And you know what? Batteries are lasting better than ever, but one factor truly affects their lifespan, and it's not what you might think. First, the good news. The battery in a modern electric vehicle degrades by only about 2.3% per year on average. In practical terms, this means that after 8 years, more than 81% of the battery's capacity remains. But here's an important detail. Capacity often drops more sharply during the first 1 to 2 years, after which degradation slows down and stabilizes. So don't worry if a new car's battery seems to degrade faster at first. This is normal. For comparison, many automakers offer battery warranties of 8 years or 160,000 kilometers. According to Geotab, batteries last comfortably longer than what the warranties require. And now the most important finding. Fast charging is by far the single biggest factor stressing the battery. The study reveals a clear threshold. If you use DC fast charging for less than 12% of charging sessions, the battery degrades by only about 1.5% per year. But if you frequently use fast charging above 100 kilowatts, degradation accelerates to 3% per year, effectively doubling. The real-world impact is massive. After 8 years, a gently charged battery is estimated to retain about 88% of its capacity. At the same time, a battery that has been repeatedly subjected to high-power fast charging drops to around 76% health. That's a difference of 12 percentage points. Geotab expert Charlotte Argue sums it up. Use the lowest possible charging power that still meets your operational needs. In practice, if the car is parked overnight, use a regular wall charger. Save fast charging for long trips. Climate also plays a role, but less than you might expect. In vehicles driven in hot climates, above 25 degrees Celsius for more than 35% of the time, battery degradation was 0.4 percentage points faster per year compared to cooler conditions. Unfortunately, the study did not include enough data from extremely cold environments, so winter conditions comparable to those in Finland were not tested. What about the famous 20 to 80% rule? This means keeping the battery between 20 and 80% state of charge, charging only up to 80% and avoiding letting it drop below 20%. This recommendation is based on the fact that extreme charge levels, both fully empty and fully full, stress battery chemistry more than the mid-range. The study offers a surprise. Degradation accelerated to 2% per year only in cases where the battery remained at extreme charge levels, below 20% or above 80%, more than 80% of the time. Occasional full charges are therefore not a significant risk, but leaving the car parked with a full or empty battery is. In practice, don't worry about daily charging habits, but don't leave the car sitting for weeks with a fully charged or completely depleted battery. What if you drive a lot? The study shows that high-mileage vehicles, charged every 1 to 2 days, experienced battery degradation of 2.3% per year. Low-mileage vehicles, charged once a week, saw only 1.5% per year. The difference exists, but in professional and fleet use, the higher wear is an acceptable trade-off for vehicle productivity and fuel savings. In addition, batteries in vans and commercial vehicles degrade slightly faster, 2.7% per year, than those in passenger cars, 2%. This is likely due to differences in battery chemistry and usage conditions. In summary, here's your checklist for maintaining EV battery health. 1. Favor AC charging and fast charging below 100 kilowatts whenever possible. Reserve high-power chargers for long trips. The difference over 8 years can be as much as 12 percentage points of capacity. 2. If the car is parked for long periods, don't leave it fully charged or completely empty. Occasional full charging is fine, but constant extreme charge levels cause stress. 3. In hot weather, park in the shade or indoors when possible. Heat accelerates degradation by 0.4 percentage points per year. 4. Don't be afraid to drive. The battery is built to be used, and you'll save more in fuel costs than you lose in battery capacity. 5. Remember that degradation may feel faster in the early years, but it levels off over time. Geotab's research speaks clearly. Modern electric vehicle batteries are built to last. They typically outlive the usable life of the vehicle, and the technology continues to improve. The only significant change compared to the 2023 study is that we now have even more compelling data showing that charging behavior matters more than driving behavior. If you've been considering switching to an electric vehicle, this study should give you added confidence that the battery is not the stumbling block it sometimes claimed to be. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.